construct any triangle ABC. So I constructed any triangle ABC. Then it's saying construct A dash B C dash. Okay, such that AB is to A dash B is in the ratio of 5:3. So what they are saying that triangle ABC is similar to triangle A dash B C dash. Now in these two, which point we are getting to see which are common? You can see this point B. This point B is common. So it means that this point B is common. Common point, try to take it on this side. Okay, you can take it on that side also, but supposing we take it on this side. And the ratio of AB upon A dash B is equal to 5/3. So they are saying that we have to construct a triangle A dash B C dash. It means B is common. So somewhere it will be A dash will be here, somewhere C dash will be here. Why? Because AB is longer. AB is longer than A dash B. So the triangle which we are going to construct will be smaller because the side of the triangle is of ABC is bigger than A dash B. So that therefore this point will come here somewhere A dash and here somewhere it will come C dash. Now how we are going to find out this A dash and C dash? See, I told you earlier, I taught you in the video that from here take any angle and draw a line. 35, 40 preferably. Then what I told you that you have to add these parts. This 5 plus 3, 8. But here the bigger part is 5. So we have to divide AB into 5 parts. So maximum we have to divide is 5 parts only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to put the compass point here, draw an arc. Then again that same, in the same manner. Then what I told you, this fifth point, this will be B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. Okay? Then we have to join this. Because this line is maximum divided into 5 parts. And 3 parts we have to draw for A dash B. So now where is the third part? Here. Then what I told you, that put the compass point here and draw an arc. Pick that up, place it on point B3 and again draw that arc. Okay? So I got the arc somewhere like this and here I got it like this. Then again put your point on the arc points here and this point. Lift it, cut the arc here. Like this. Then take this B3 and this point and join it. So here will be your A dash. Got it? Then what I told you, again here we have a line. Okay. So from point A, again draw an arc. Draw an arc out here like this. Okay. Then from point A dash and on line BC, take the arc like this. Okay. Then take this distance, let me draw like this and this is coming like this somewhere. Now take this distance and cut the arc here, this point. Now this A dash and this point, join it out here. So what we are going to be is going to come like this, come from here and come like this. So this is your C dash. So this is your required triangle now. C dash B A dash or A dash B C dash. You got the construction. Okay. Now let's come back to the construction part. Here also is the same thing. We have got the point B common. Okay. But this slight difference between the two. Here what happened? Here supposing I draw a triangle ABC. Which point is common? B. So B I keep here, B, C, A, right? Now what is the proportion? AB is 5 centimeter and A dash B is 7 centimeter. It means which one is greater? The construction triangle. That is now A dash B C dash. This triangle is bigger. So this triangle is ABC, but the next diagram which I have to draw will be bigger. The next triangle will be bigger than this. So for that what I have to do? I will extend this line. Okay? And now I will take this part out here like this. So the bigger one is how many parts? 7. So I have to divide this line into 7 parts. 1, 2. Again I told you same distance it should be. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now AB will be how much? This is BC. So BC will be how much? 5 parts, right? So 5 parts will be how much? B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7. So how much is it? The first AB is 5 centimeter. So BC is 5 centimeter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will join this because this is 5 parts. Now what we are going to do? Keep a compass point on the point B5 and draw an arc. Okay? Pick it up and from B7 draw an arc. The same distance. Take this distance in your compass point, place it here in the arc which you drew and cut it. Okay? Now join point B7 and this point directly with the line of BC. So this will come here. So this is your C dash. Okay? Again now, see this is a bigger triangle. So it is going beyond. First time it was smaller, so we were inside. Now from point C, again take a mark, make an arc. Here put it on C dash, make the same arc. Then take this distance on the compass point, place it here, mark it. You have to extend this line also. Okay? Then point C dash and this where you got the intersection of the arcs, take these 2 points and join. So you do it here A dash. So this is your triangle. A dash, B, C dash is the required triangle which you have to take. Okay? Thank you. Hello children, we continue with the construction. There is little bit of variation in this sum, so I am taking up this example also. Here we are given triangle AMT similar to AHE. Again we have points common A. It means with the help of A we have to manage it. Okay? They have given us how much is AM, angle EAM. So the middle letter A, remember that is the angle, not T, not M. You all do this mistake. So angle A is 50 degree. AT is given 5.6 centimeter. First of all, I will draw a triangle AMT in rough. So here I drew the triangle AMT in rough, this triangle. I took first line 6, just naming it 6.3, 50 degree, 5.6. On this basis, I have to construct a triangle first. So first I will construct this AMT triangle. Now, AM is how much I have to take? 6.3. So you know, I think everybody knows how to take a line 6.3 centimeter. 6.3 centimeter. Then I have to take 50 degree angle. So I put the protector here and the 0 marking out here and then take 50 degree. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Around this much. This it will be. So then I join point A and then 50 degree like this. Okay. Then how much is AT? It is 5.6. So again on the compass I will take A to T 5.6. Supposing it is here. Then this is my point T and I'll join this. So first I have to construct triangle AMT, where AM is 6.3, angle A is 50 degree and AT is 5.6 centimeter. Now again I have to construct triangle AHE, in which they have told me that AM is 7 and AH is 5. It means which triangle is bigger? AM. So AM means this triangle AMT. This triangle is bigger than the triangle AHE. So again from point A, let's take an angle and draw a line out here. Greater is which? 7. Whichever is greater, you must divide the line into that many equal parts. Okay? Now I have to divide it into 7 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Now AM is 7 parts. Right? So this point 7 and this 7. This is one A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7. Remember, how much ever they say AM, that much we have to join. So this is A7, so we join this line. Then AH is how much? 5. So which point is important for us? This 5 point. Right? So what we are going to do? Again, put our compass point here, draw an arc, same distance, lift it from point A5, draw it. Okay? This is the one I get here, this is the one I get here. Now what we have to take? This much, how much they are cutting the both lines. Take this arc, lift it, cut the arc here. Now what I have to do? This A5 and this point I have to join it here. It will come like this out here. Okay? So this becomes my M dash point. Right? Now what I am going to do from point M? Put the compass point here, draw an arc, lift it from M dash also. I am going to draw an arc like this. Right? Then again I will take this distance, the arc which is cutting the two lines, lift it, place it here, cut it. Right? Here I got it. Now what I am going to do? I am going to take this point M and this point and join it here. Like this. So this is my T dash. So I got the triangle A M dash T dash. Sorry, this is not, sorry, the names are different. It is A. Then here what I told you, this is A. M. The M point has to be H. So here we will have H. Right? And here it is T. So instead of T we will have E. So we will be naming this point as E. Okay? So AHE is the required triangle. They don't have the same names, they are having different numbers. So be careful. If this is A, then I have A. M becomes H. So M, then it becomes here H. Then T becomes E. So T, then here it will become E. So now AHE is your required triangle. Okay? Thank you.